Welcome to our guide on enhancing your film and television production business with drone cinematography. Today, we'll explore some invaluable resources to elevate your aerial footage. First, let's dive into some must-read books. The Drone Cinematography Guide by Eric Chang and Drone Filmmaking. The Guide to Shooting Aerial Footage by A.J. Riley are excellent starting points. For those interested in drone photography, the Drone Photography Handbook by Karen F. O'Connor offers insights into composition, lighting, and post-processing techniques. Podcasts are another great way to stay updated. The Drone Show and Drone Talk cover industry news, technology, and regulations, keeping you informed on the latest trends. YouTube is a treasure trove of practical tips. Check out Drone Cinematography Tips by DJI and Drone Filmmaking Tips by Film Riot for expert advice on capturing stunning aerial footage. AI tools can significantly enhance your drone operations. DJI Fly app and AirMap offer features like automated flight modes and real-time traffic management, ensuring safe and efficient flights. Consider enrolling in specialized courses to deepen your knowledge. Drone Pilot Ground School and DJI Drone Flight Training Program cover essential topics like regulations, safety, and flight techniques. Thank you for watching. By leveraging these resources, you'll be well equipped to take your drone cinematography to new heights. Happy flying and filming!